working on a laptop and struggling to find a comfortable position to set it up? Working from home offices, we're all looking for ways to increase productivity and maximize comfort. Moreover, more and more people are switching to powerful and portable laptops for work, abandoning the big workstations. So the need of the hour is finding comfortable posture while using laptops for long hours at home or in the office. Combining wellness, comfort, and ergonomics, our laptop riser is the perfect way to position laptops at ideal viewing levels with many adjustable height options. Say goodbye to back and neck aches with this compact, portable, and well-designed product. You can easily adjust the height to sitting and standing positions with a simple adjustment in just a few seconds. Compatible with all laptops up to 17 inches, it has a built-in cable organizer to keep your desk neat and clutter-free. So, take control of your health and productivity and order one for yourself.